here, Home Farm Ideas, and today I cleared out this bed, and the reason why I cleared out this bed right here is because my piping accidentally came out. That's the ground down there. So luckily it was just this bed that drained, and you know, it was almost time for harvest for the carrots. Not quite though, because they're still stunted, because they didn't get their growing season the way that I would have had it. But there are other things that I wanted to point out. You see how that's stunted like that? The reason for that is I have other carrot harvest videos that I can, you know, I'll put up in the box here. That way you guys can see. 2 times now I've thrown the seeds in here and I've just let them all stay clumped together. And what ends up happening is that the carrots, they basically all grow around each other, and then they get stunted that way. Because I've actually, you know what, in this bed too, so I don't know if the gravel has something to do with it too. I know a lot of people are going to be, oh, you know, it can't get around the gravel. So I grew them in this bed, and you'll see in that video clip that I posted up there in the card section, I grew them in this bed, and I got a really good harvest. And if you notice in that video, they were all spread out. Where these, I had them all clumped together again, and I swore I was going to thin them out. I just didn't have time, so I left them, you know. And then once you have a seed sprout, you don't really want to cut it, you know. So, nevertheless, I mean, this is going to be good in stews, you know. So I'm gonna make a beef stew or something like that, and throw all these in there, and it's going to be really good. And it smells like carrots right now outside. So, but anyway, this gravel in here, as you can see, it's not exactly the same as the other grow bed, okay? This gravel, it's like oblong and different shapes and stuff, okay? And then there's some round ones in here, and I did put 1 bag of the round ones in here. This side, you can see these are all pretty much uniform, okay? See how they look? Versus this. So I think this bed has these rocks that are basically oblong and all this stuff. I think that impedes the growth as well. So if I'm going to grow carrots, I'm probably going to grow them in here, and then I'm going to grow my onions, which are doing really well, which you can see. Look at what I do. I'm so dumb, I swear. I just basically, I'm growing the onions all together. I should have thinned them out, you know, but I cut all these down and I put them in stir fry, the greens. Anyway, so I think the carrots do better in these rounder pebbles than they do in this bed. So I'll probably be putting the onions in this side and carrots in these 2 beds. So anyways, everything's growing really good. Carrots are good. These are aquaponic carrots, so I mean, who knew? You know, you can grow stuff that's actually solid plant off of just nothing but fish water. There's a sizable one. Right, so yeah, and there's a lot of them in here too. It's like a pile of them. So anyways, if you guys like this video, obviously give it a thumbs up. If you want to see me grow stuff like this from start to finish, let me know in the comment section below. Click that little bell icon too if you're a new subscriber, and if you're an old subscriber, click the bell icon so you can see all my updates that I do. I am going to be harvesting onions, like I said. And you know what I'll probably start doing with these, just to help thin them out, is just pull one or cut it at the base or something. I don't know. I'm probably just going to end up pulling one very carefully and then eating the whole plant. And then my bell peppers, well, I'll give you an update on that. I did a video on that. And then this monster is still growing. That's why I haven't done a video yet. See, it's growing new nodules and stuff. So if you guys want to guess on this video, click this card here and you can guess its weight, and yeah, I'll get back to you on it. I'm waiting for it to basically grow all the way. So anyways, yeah, carrots from Aquaponics. So sweet potato here. So anyway, God bless you guys, and like always, peace.